The gaming industry never stands still, and every few years, a new innovation comes along that completely shifts the way players interact with their favorite titles. In 2023, ASUS shocked the handheld gaming market with the launch of the original ROG Ally, a Windows-based handheld gaming PC that promised to bring the power of a desktop into the palm of your hands. It was sleek, powerful, and bold enough to compete with Valve's Steam Deck, which had been dominating the portable PC gaming space. But as with all first-generation products, the Ally wasn't perfect. Now, ASUS is back with a vengeance, and the ASUS ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to be the handheld console that changes everything so far. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just a minor refresh or a performance bump. From early leaks, insider reports, and ASUS's own hints, the ROG Ally 2 is being positioned as the ultimate hybrid handheld PC, a device that could redefine portable gaming for years to come. In this video, we're going to dive deep into every aspect of the ASUS ROG Ally 2, its rumored specs, design changes, release date, price expectations, comparisons to its competitors, and why it may finally deliver the perfect balance between power and portability. To understand the excitement around the Ally 2, we first need to revisit what the original ROG Ally achieved, and where it fell short. Launched in May 2023, the ROG Ally featured a 7-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, AMD Ryzen Z1 and Z1 Extreme processors, Windows 11 out of the box, offering access to PC game libraries, support for Xbox Game Pass, Steam, Epic Game Store, and more. The handheld was praised for its gorgeous display, ergonomic design, and raw performance that often outpaced the Steam Deck. However, it had a few drawbacks. Battery life was limited, especially when running demanding AAA titles. Windows optimization for handheld gaming was clunky at times. Some users experienced thermal issues and fan noise during extended play. The gamepad controls weren't always as intuitive as dedicated handheld consoles like the Nintendo Switch. Even with these limitations, Ally carved out a serious presence in the market. It was proof that handheld Windows gaming wasn't just possible, it was the future. That's why expectations are sky high for the Ally 2. The most burning question for fans is, when is the ASUS ROG Ally 2 coming out? Industry insiders and ASUS's own teasers suggest. The official announcement is expected in late Q3 2025, likely during ASUS's annual gaming showcase. Pre-orders should open immediately after the announcement. The global release is predicted for October 2025, just ahead of the holiday season. This timing is strategic. By launching just before the holiday shopping rush, ASUS ensures the ROG Ally 2 will be on every gamer's wishlist, competing directly against new Steam Deck revisions and any potential surprises from Nintendo Switch 2. Pricing is another major area of speculation. The original Ally launched at $699 for the base model and $799 for the Z1 Extreme version. While it undercut the Steam Deck in some ways, it was still considered a premium option. For the ROG Ally 2, analysts expect base model around $799, high-end model around $800.